Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn moringa leaves into powder. Start by harvesting fresh leaves and stripping stems, then rinse gently under cool water to remove dirt and insects. Pat leaves dry and spread in a single layer to air dry or use a dehydrator at low heat. Keep humidity low and avoid direct sunlight to preserve nutrients. Grind once fully dry and store in an airtight container. Choose a drying method that matches your schedule and tools. Air drying is gentle and energy-free, but can take longer in humid climates, while a dehydrator offers consistent low heat for predictable results. An oven can work for small batches if left slightly open to allow moisture to escape. Aim for leaves that crumble easily between fingers, which signals they are fully dry and ready to grind without risking mold or loss. Grind dried leaves in short pulses to avoid heating and preserve color and nutrients, checking frequently until you reach a fine, uniform powder. Sift the ground material to remove larger pieces and reprocess as needed to maintain consistency. Label containers with the date and keep them in a cool, dark place to extend shelf life for several months. Small, frequent batches deliver the freshest flavor and best nutrient retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.